Hello everybody, welcome again to our Tekla Structure Steel course. And the last lecture we have do a small introduction about Tekla and what we can do with Tekla. And we have showed this parameter with this introduction. Okay, now in this lecture we want to begin work with this Tekla structure. We want to define the grids, units, and show our project description and Tekla. So first of all, we can go to our Tekla structure application software. We begin to open the software. First of all, this is the home page of the software. We choose a blank project. Here we can choose specific work on the software, but we must choose here. We want to choose full. We want to get the full properties of our software. So we put here full and we press OK. Now we want to create a new model. We begin with a new model, so we go directly to here. These are the model that we have worked on. Okay, recent model that we have worked on. Now we want to go to a new model. Name Tekla course steel structure, for example, and we can choose the place. Okay, now we can press here create. Now the software create our new model. So now the software create the model. We want this is the first home page of the software. We maximize here the windows. We can show the standard grids that the Tekla of the Tekla. Okay, first of all we want to edit the units used on this software. So we go to here. Okay, we use Tekla 18 version 18. So if you have version 19, we can go directly to here tools and go to option. Now in version 18 we go to here settings, options here. Okay, when we press on option we go directly to here units and decimal. Okay, we want to put the lenses of the span and meter. Okay, so we put here meter. Also we can put the units of the force, the moment, the angle. Okay, so we need only the length and meter, and we press OK. Now to define the units, we double click on the grids here. Okay, so we have the Windows grid here of Tekla. Okay, if we go to the AutoCAD file, or we can also show this description of the project here. Okay, and on the PowerPoint. Okay, we have here 25 meter. We divide this 25 to 12.5 meter from here to here, and from here to here 25. So we can go to Tekla, put 0.00 space 2 times 12.5. Okay, so 2 times 12.5 to divide to get the midpoint of the span. Okay, and the total is 25 meter. For the y direction we have 75 meters, so we can divide it to 15 5 meter span. So we go to here, we put 0.00 space 5 times 15. Okay, For the Z, we can show here we have 0 12, then 3. Okay, so we can go here, to Z 0.00, 12, then 15. Okay, here the name, we have one A, B, C here, A, B, C for example, and here for Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here we have 0.00 plus 0.12, sorry, 12.00 plus 15.00. okay, to now we have finishing from define our grid. So we press here modify, not create, we press modify, we press here yes. We can show here our grids. We can show this point if we press Control, and we can show that our grid rotate around this point. If we press Ctrl R, we can modify the place of this point, and we can now press Ctrl. So now the grid rotate about this point here. We can change the place, the location of this point from by clicking on Ctrl, then R, then which is here. For example, we can use this option to if we want to rotate about a point, a joint, or a structural element to show to get more clear display about of this element. So we can change here the center point of rotation, okay, by clicking on Ctrl plus R. Okay, also we can press right click, so we can here press here right click fit work area to anterior model. We can choose this to this is to return to the standard view of our project. Okay, so we can show here we must change here the Y 15 times 5, sorry, 5.00. press modify now, yes. Okay, we have make a sec. We want 15 span, each span equal to 5 meter. This mistake we can help us to more understand how work this windows of Tekla structure. Okay, so we have in this lecture define the material, the unit. We have defined the unit. We put the unit and meter, and we have defined our grid of our project. So thank you for listening. We will continue in the next lecture.